Good afternoon. Welcome to Erlangga Hotel and Resort. May I have your name for the reservation?
Yeah, my name is Ipa Sophia, and this is my ID card and also the booking number.
Thank you, Miss Sylvia. We have your suite ready. May I confirm details of your stay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you will be staying with us for 3 nights in our deluxe room. But would you be interested in upgrading to our executive suite in an additional of 750,000 rupiahs per night? It includes private balcony with a stunning city views and access to our exclusive lounge.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Let's upgrade the room.
Excellent choice. Let me update your reservation. Please wait a moment. Alright, here is your key card and welcome package with details about our dining options, spa services, and many more. Enjoy your stay in the executive suite.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Good morning, Miss Sylvia. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I am.
Let me quickly process your bill. Did you enjoy your stay at the exclusive room?
It was wonderful. Thank you.
Glad to hear that. Your bill is settled. Would you like an email receipt?
Yes, please.
Alright, it's all set. Thank you for staying with us. We look forward to welcoming you back soon. And next time, consider our presidential suite for even more luxurious experience. Thank you for choosing our hotel. We hope you have unforgettable experience to stay with us.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome.